Hello, good morning students. I am Jyoti. Today I am teaching you a computer subject from class 5th, chapter number 5, Presentation Software Special Effect. And the topics covered for Introduction to PowerPoint, Starting PowerPoint, Built-in Templates, Creating a Blank Presentation with the Design Theme, Enhancing the Look of a Presentation, Changing slide layout, adding shape, running a slide show. So in this chapter we are discuss about the PowerPoint, that is the presentation software. Here is first introduction to PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint is a program used for slide based presentation. It is the most powerful software under MS Office, and that is mostly work for making the presentations. Each file from this PowerPoint presentation created by PowerPoint is called a presentation. Each presentation is made up of slide. Each slide consists of text, object, sound, etc., and set to the different sources. Through the presentation, you can communicate ideas, messages, and other information. Next is how to start PowerPoint. Okay, then here is some steps to how to start the PowerPoint. Step number 1, click on the start button. Click on the all program. Second point. Third point is click on Microsoft Office. Step number 4 is click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Here is, so when you are using same these steps, then same like this window open on your screen. Now you can come into the next page number 51, built-in templates. Okay, so templates provide a quick way to create a new PowerPoint presentation. It contains layouts, theme colors, font, and effect, background styles, and the other content. The next is follow the steps to open the window and use the templates. These are the steps. If you want to open the templates, then follow these steps. Then the next page number 52 and page number 53. The page number 52. Here is creating a blank presentation with design templates. So if you want to create a design in your PowerPoint, you can follow these steps. Step number 1 is click on the design tab. Click on any one theme with your mouse. You can click same like that. You can see all these design themes and you can choose any one if you want to create a design from your presentation. Next is creating the title style. If you want to create the title style from your presentation, then here is a title box. Whenever you open a new presentation, any text type after a slide, new slide, display becomes title text in the title text placeholder. That is the title text placeholder. Here you can type your text. After that, the next page number 53, entering the text in subtitle. The below box, that is called the subtitle. Same like that, if you want to add some subtitle on your text, then you can add and type the text on your subtitle box. Next point is adding a new slide to a presentation. If you want to create the new style and a new slide from your presentation, one slide you are completed. Another slide if you want to create to your presentation, then follow the steps. Click on Home tab on the ribbon. Here is the icon that is called the ribbon and Home tab. Click on the new slide button, then the new slide is open on your screen. Then next step, adding text to slide 2. If you want to add some another text, some another title and subtitle, then same procedure, same text you can add to your presentation. Page number 54. Select text. On this page, here is some points like to select a word, to select a sentence, to select a point, to select any part of the text. That is the easy part. Whenever you see your screen, when you create your presentation, automatically you can follow the instructions and choose all these tools. If you want to create, if you want to select a word, then you can choose the word titles. Then if you want to select a sentence, you can choose a sentence box, point box, and another part of the text. If you want to position the mouse pointer, that is first word you want to select. Okay. Next is delete text. Delete text that you no longer need on your presentation. That text that you don't want to longer need in your text and you want to delete the text, then you can choose these points, follow these points and delete your text. Okay. Now page number 55. 55 is enhancing the look of a presentation. On these paragraph you can use the format tools for font and paragraph groups. Next is changing the font of text. If you want to change the text font style and another thing related to font, then you can use the font text. Page number 56, 57 is related to text, like changing the color of the text, changing the text style, changing the alignment of the text, setting the line space, so you can read your own self and understand the text what it is saying. Next is changing slide layout. Layout is also called the designs. So you can placeholder of all the items such as a title, graphics or text box that make up of your slide. You can change the layout of the slide anytime. Again you can follow these steps and use the slide, changing slide layouts. Here is the same topics for related to slide layout, like a clip parts. If you want to create some another image on your presentation, you can use the clip art. Follow these points, same instructions and create your presentation. Next is page number 60, that is called for adding picture or image in your presentation. If you want to print out from your presentation, then you can use these points, these steps. Okay. If you want to insert picture dialog box, then you can follow these steps and printer from From here the picture is inserted and the picture tools appear on your format tab. Then you can deselect the picture, click anyone else in the working area. Next is the same for the border to the image. If you want to given the border from your image. So here is the sufficient text from your chapter. Again you can read your chapter clearly. If you have any doubt, so on the comment section you can give your comments. Again read the full chapter, and I'm sure easily you can understand everything if you want to try your best. Thanks and have a nice day.